Check out this Yaheetech kitchen cart on wheels. Hey there, it's Kevin and I do honest and unbiased reviews and hope you'll give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. So this is an amazing kitchen cart. As you can see, it is made from wood and it was actually pretty easy to put together as well. Now the wood is throughout the entire thing, but there are some wheels that means you can roll it around and switch it up if you need to. But again, there are several levels on this too. And so we have, spaces in between those boards there, but nothing will ever fall through. It's just to give it some more breathing room if you're putting something down there. But then you have something on the bottom which will help hold the rest of your storage. On top, again, we have so much storage. We can place different things on top here and also make some sandwiches or, cut up some vegetables or do whatever you want with it. There's plenty of space here too. And again, we have a drawer in this cart as well, which really just opens up so many different possibilities to all the things that you can do with this cart. So I hope you enjoyed this review and I'll see you next time.